Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. On today's video, we're doing some self-care, some self-love. I am just showing y'all what I do for my face. I bought a new foaming facial cleaner from Clean and Clear. Y'all know I got my Noxzema because that is my road dog. And then we got some facial hair razors, my Best Face 4 serum, and then my face toner that was made by my niece from Heavenly Glow Skincare. And we're going to get to these whiskers underneath my chin and my neck. We're going to wash my face first. I'm not going to be here for the entire time. Y'all pretty know what happens. If you don't, I wash my face and then I normally take a washcloth, make it as hot as I can, put it over my face, open my pores so my pores can get cleaned out. After that, I wipe my face down. And then after that, I put my Noxzema on, let it dry up a little bit. Once again, rinse the washcloth off, make sure it's clear. Make sure it's hot as I can put it on, then put it on my face, and then wipe it off. And then we go through the whole process. So I'll have everything in the description box and also throughout the video. I really hope y'all enjoy the music and everything else. If you haven't yet, go ahead and join the family at the subscription button down below. Turn that from red to gray. We appreciate you. We love you. Like this video by thumbs up and make sure that you comment down below what do you do for your self-care, because my face was really needed it, y'all. I really been slacking on my facial routine. Started having little breakouts on my forehead. That's not how we do here. So I just wanted to make sure I have my face looking right for the folks. So even for me, it makes me feel good that my face looks nice. So yeah, I don't wear a lot of makeup. I do wear some sometimes when we go out, but other than that, it's just Carmex and maybe eyeliner and mascara. So enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see y'all at the end.
Change of scenery, yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery, yeah. Close the match cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you. From the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to run it out. all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind
this
me,
video is actually going out on a Wednesday, but it's Sunday, okay? Alright, so this is your reminder and my own reminder to do a midweek self-care routine. Something. I was looking on one of my girls' Instagram reels and living with Lex. See? And she had put this other lady up. I'm gonna have to actually put the reel up here. She was saying spend 3 minutes gratitude, 3 minutes something else, 3 minutes something else, and there you go. Get yourself ready for the day. Like, who don't have 9 minutes? Like, really? Yeah, this is taking me a little longer today, but I needed some really like deep cleaning stuff like on my face. I know that sounds crazy, but I did. I've been exercising, working out, cleaning up stuff in the house, taking care of the kids, taking care of the hubby, taking care of school, doing work. So I've been washing my face, but I haven't been doing like my regular routine that helped me feel good. It helped me feel like I give my best self out into the world. And I think that may actually help with why my depression and my anxiety and my ADHD has been a little bit higher than normal, along with my thyroid getting a little bit bigger. But it's okay. God got it. This Hashimoto's will be okay. This will probably be a catch up life update, self-care reminder, what to do. Like right now, I think it's like 11 o'clock tonight, Sunday night. Alexa, what time is it? Yeah, it's 11:16 p.m. on Sunday, the 19th. So, 18th? The 18th. So yeah, we'll show this here. I wanted to do some exfoliating, but this is gonna have to do. It's gonna have to do. It's gonna have to do. I'm not gonna stress over this because I was trying to find something that exfoliated without me having to actually put it on a. Yeah, y'all. Sometimes I just want some simple stuff, and I couldn't find it. And my daughter was like, "Don't get nothing with the beads. Somebody got $1,000 thing, and they got the beads out their pores." I said, "They would have some big pores." And she said, "Guys, so don't get the beads, Mom." I said, "Okay, I won't get the beads." So I didn't get the beads, though I wanted the beads. I put a lot. Once again, I messed up my left eyebrow. It's okay. It's gonna grow back, and guess what? I'll mess it up again. It's okay. Ooh. I got my Beauty by Maine eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna start trying to use. Y'all, I don't do them thick eyebrows and joints. Like my eyebrow, my bone here doesn't do that, so I'm not going to do that. But to fill in what I messed up, yeah, we gonna have to use that for that. Y'all, I feel good. I feel good. All right. I really hope that y'all have enjoyed. Wait. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm sorry. So I'm not putting oil on my face today because we are going to bed tonight, so I need something to dry up a little bit. Oil is for mostly in the morning. Get you ready throughout the day. I'm trying to get rid of this stuff from when my daughters were getting the Ipsy bag every month. We stopped it It's starting to become too much. I think we might start it back up again. Or I might just do a subscription with my niece and my cousin. Ooh. Breathe. Y'all a little stinging, But they got their own line. So I may do that. We'll see how all this goes while I'm doing this. But after this video, well, like I'm done with filming this, I'm getting in the shower. Get my life together. So, and rub it till it absorbs. I was having a breakout up here, and I was like, oh no, we can't do that. I don't. My best friend hates when I say that. I'm sorry, baby. I love you. My face, it just don't look good. Some people, you know, breakout looks okay with them.
Such a pretty girl. Left town, got a chance in LA. Now you a city girl. Now you wanna party, it's late. You stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You said that I was. You had me love struck.
Might have to get that mold checked out. I look good to you? You know what? Let me go ahead and do this while I'm here too, just to remind you to I'm gonna be like, really? Yep. Sometimes we gotta remind ourselves. I'm not reminding myself, I'm reminding y'all. So I'm doing this and I'm hopping the shower and I'm going to bed. So I got a new toothbrush. What color is it? It's blue. It burns. Woo. Alright, so my teeth clean. And my face is clean. It's deep clean, y'all. My face is deep clean. I got some hairs off of it. I look like a lady now, not like a beast. Okay, I look like a beauty, not a beast. Hey! I'm sleepy. Yeah. As always, but we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live a life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for spending your precious time with us because time is precious. As always, I have everything down in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to comment down below what do you do for your self-care. And then if you do a facial routine, what do you do for your facial routine? Y'all have a blessed night. And I'll see y'all on Sunday.
Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted.